Today I'm going to show you how to change a light bulb. Not just any light bulb, one of these less common, but still somewhat common, 2-prong CFL lights. They were made to replace incandescent, and it's really annoying because now with LED light bulbs, you can't really use these. So let me show you a cool little way to adapt them. So first we'll get access to the light, removing this screw. Twist it 90 degrees. Here's our adapter. Our new LED bulb. You can screw it right in. Link below for these adapters. Then you just get it in. And twist. These adapters are about 1.5 inches tall, so make sure that they'll fit in the fixture that you're considering. The most important thing is not to lose the screw, and I did. So here, I'm gonna have to just use this replacement for. Only took 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next one. These bulbs do contain mercury, so make sure to dispose of them properly.